Just another gorgeous sunset shown here by the CorwinAuto.com Valley Sky Cam. A few clouds out there, but another fabulous day here in the valley. 66 our current temperature, down from a high in those low 70s today. Once again, south wind at only 10 miles per hour. Very pleasant conditions. And if you are in the northern valley, it's a little cooler, 59 in Grand Forks. A few clouds reported as well. Gusts from the east are up to 30 miles per hour, so many of us are experiencing some gusty winds across the valley, and that's keeping things cool. Where you see the green colors here, we have 50s for temperatures, 60s along Highway 200 and points south, though. 64 Valley City, still 66 in Oaks. We have 61 for Detroit Lakes, Fergus Falls at 63 in Bemidji. Right now you have 54 degrees. Here's those clouds that we've been contending with. They are trying to push out. Morning showers have moved up into Winnipeg. And now as we look off to the west, a few showers skirting the international border not far from Minot. Those are moving in our general direction. But what we're really watching for significant rainfall is just now starting to take shape down in the southwest U.S. We talked about it last night. Low pressure out here is cut off from the main jet stream circulation. That's way over here where you see the clouds streaming in to western British Columbia. Now, as we take a look at this system, it is going to impact our weather, but we have till Friday. So get out and enjoy is the main rule of thumb here. Tonight, temperatures holding off in the 60s till after sunset, and maybe having some 40s along the international border, especially as it will continue to be cool there. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds through the evening tonight. Overnight, look at this. We'll pause it at about midnight. A batch of showers that was moving along the border near Minot will pass through the northern Red River Valley, and as time hits around 4 to 5 o'clock, we'll push into northwest Minnesota. Most getting less than 1/10 of an inch of rain from this, but still a little bit of a ground soaker there. The rest of us, I think, stay high and dry. Wind shifts and becomes westerly behind this little cool front that progresses through. By daybreak, it'll be near Baudette, Bemidji, the Big Red Lakes area, and on into Thief River Falls. Now, temperatures to start your day will be in the mid-40s to around 50. Look at the sky clearing. Northwest winds gusty at times tomorrow, and it will be cooler behind this cold front. Cold enough for snow up in portions of southern Canada, but not here. Clearing continues into the late day. Temperatures, though, peaking near 60 south. We'll be just getting out of those upper 40s in many of our northern communities into the mid-50s by afternoon. Tomorrow evening, the wind finally starts to settle down, setting us up for a pretty nice Thursday. Hour by hour, Fargo-Moorhead planner for tonight. Temperatures slow to fall thanks to clouds and wind. It stays pretty persistent overnight with a 10 to 15 mile per hour breeze out there. Start your day in the upper 40s, rise only to near 60 in the afternoon with gusts to 30 at times. The warmest weather will be where you see the yellows here. Southeast North Dakota, west central Minnesota up north. Upper 40s for places like Roseau, for places like Baudette, and possibly Langdon as well. Here's a big system starting to wind its wheels. By Thursday night, it will be pushing into Nebraska. It's going to bring its moisture and its energy up into the northern plains. Many of us getting up to an inch of rain from this on a soggy Friday with clouds and rain lasting into the late afternoon and maybe even into Saturday morning for some. Look at all the rain that will happen down in the southern plains from that. Mississippi headwaters looking gorgeous. Thanks so much, Carol Nesland Rogers, for sharing that wonderful shot up there near Bemidji. And as we take a look at more colors, this is Becker County about a week ago. Rod Dahl sharing another beauty there. Here is your planning forecast. The next couple of days, not so bad, still well above average, and in fact 60 to 65 degrees. Then on Friday, the rain hits. Again, be ready for up to an inch in spots. Then we stay cool through the weekend, but overall dry. Cool enough for maybe a flake near the international border. Nothing accumulating, but it's that time of year where they might start showing up.
Get ready.
Yes.
Thanks, Hutch.
As we mentioned earlier, a shakeup for the Bison football team. Beth will be in during sports with more on Carson Wentz's injury.
And dirt was flying today on what will eventually be more health care offerings locally. Details on what's being expanded.